Round of applause. Next is English Elocution, Category 2. Aisha Siddiqui, St. Paul's High School. First place to Aisha Siddiqui, St. Paul's High School. Amira D'Souza, Canossa Convent High School. Second place. Please give her a round of applause. Third place goes to Arafat Khan, St. Joseph High School. Consolation Sinet D'Souza, Canossa Convent High School, and Rajan Shinde, St. Joseph High School. We now call on stage Teacher Sadira Cardoso to give away the prize. The pre-primary coordinator. Now we move ahead to the group events. Patriotic Song Category 4. First place goes to Social Service League High School. I request all the participants to please come on stage. Please give them a round of applause. They displayed a wonderful performance today. Subhi Gala, Sharvi Lal, Maithili Dukale, Shalaka Gatke, Ayrni Kamble, Ishwari Namankar, Asmi Talegaonkar, Sanvi Sminit, Shresh. Please give them a round of applause.
Excuse me, wait. Thank you.
We move on to the next category, that is Indian classical vocals. I request our principal, Reverend Father Solomon Rapol, to please give away the prize. First place goes to Sharvila, Social Service League High School. Please give her a round of applause. Second place, Airani Kamble from Social Service League High School. Please give her a round of applause. Our next event is the T-shirt and umbrella painting category 3. Salunke Vedan Vinayak, St. Joseph High School, first place. Second place goes to Ashna Gowli, St. Paul's Convent High School. We now have the same T-shirt and umbrella painting, but category 4. Malam Swaraj, Dominic Savio Vidyalaya, first place. Durvesh Patil, St. Joseph High School, second place. Our next category is the Marathi Elocution, category 4. We request our chief guest, Mr. Jiten Lal Nagda, to please give away the prize. First place goes to Rishima Satam, St. Paul's Convent High School. Second place, Shaurya Raigwar, St. Joseph High School. For the next category, that is PPT Group, category 3, we have a tie for both first and second place. So for first place, we have Dhanraj Malik and Ansh Shukla from St. Joseph High School. And for second, we have Vignesh Kanda and Mir Mohammad Hussain for second St. Joseph High School. next category is Yoga Category 2. We request our guest of honor, Mr. Hari Krishnan, to give away the prize. First place, Salukya Rudra St. Joseph High School. Second place, Shreya Angamne from Auxilium Convent High School. Third place, Shaurya Bangle St. Joseph High School. Bangle.
There are some more prizes lined up. Let's wait. Who knows what's next?
Our next category is the greeting card, category 4. We request Ms. Nagda to please give away the prize. First place goes to Anaira Hussain, Convent Girls High School. Second place goes to Vriddhi Jain, Auxilium Convent High School. Third place, Rita Samjaskar, Auxilium Convent High School. Consolation, Vignesh Selvam, St. Joseph High School. Our next event is Current Affairs Quiz, Category 3. First place goes to Raj Nandanikar, Convent Girls High School. Second place, Shaunak Pal, St. Joseph High School. And the third place goes to Shaurya Gupta, St. Joseph High School. Now request Father Daigo. Please, Father Daigo, you should please give away the prize for the category of oral recitation, category 2. First place, the winners are St. Joseph High School. The participants are Ved Prasad, Nachiket Gowda, Riyansh Yadav, Priyansh, Arav Gurav, Devesh Kulge, Devang Sutar, Arnav. Participants, please come ahead. Daniel Sheikh, Ridan Shinde, Prince Buravne, Yog Kepde, Aan Kamble, Daksh Rao, Swaroop Fahal, Advik Rao, Ayan Ansari, and Riyan Solanki. Please give them a round of applause. brings us to the end of the prize distribution. Thank you so much, students, for your participation. And thank you to all our lovely dignitaries and our chief guests who have given the prizes. I now request Mr. Jiten Nata to please address the gathering. Requesting all the students to please keep quiet. Students,
Reverend Father Solomon, Reverend Father Diego, respected teachers and sirs, ladies and gentlemen, and dear students. It is a great honor for me to have been invited as the chief guest of the Josephine Festival 2025. This is always a very special day, and because I stand here on this stage after 35 years, I passed out in 1990, after 35 years, it's a big honor. The Josephine Festival of St. Joseph High School, Wadala is a major inter-school cultural event in Mumbai and reflects the school's long-standing emphasis on holistic education. Founded in 1917 by the Salesian Order, St. Joseph has always promoted all-round development, and this philosophy led to the creation of the Joseph Festival during its centenary year 2016-17. The festival was envisioned as a legacy event that would continue to support and celebrate students' growth beyond the school years and the 100-year milestone. Initially, the festival showcased student talents across performing arts, visual arts, literature, and academic skills. Thousands of students from across various schools have participated in all the competitions held over here. As the festival has evolved, it expanded its scope to reflect contemporary student interests. Participation soon exceeded 4,000 students, and new categories were introduced such as digital skills, speed typing, and t-shirt painting, while traditional art forms remained simple. The recent editions also incorporated discussions on socially relevant themes including mental health, communication, and responsible use of technology, helping students develop critical thinking and emotional awareness. By the mid-2020s, some editions saw nearly 7,000 students from over 80 schools participate in the Joseph Festival. Today, the Joseph Festival stands as a vibrant celebration of talent, community, and personal growth, embodying both the heritage and progressive vision of St. Joseph's High School, Wadala. St. Joseph's High School, Wadala has always been and known for its holistic approach to education right from 1986, which is the earliest memory I have. We were introduced swimming, handball, basketball, and many other sports. And in addition to that, computers were introduced and wireman courses were also started, which overall gave us a lot of other extracurricular activities to build our careers. Today, whatever we are, it is all thanks to our principals, teachers. After our parents, they are the ones who have taken most care of us and given us a lot of love. Whatever education, good values they have given us, it's only because of that is why we stand here in front of you. It has been a great honor, and thank you very much for having me as the chief guest today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jiten. Please give him a round of applause.
We now call upon our principal, Reverend Father Solomon Rapol, to propose the vote of thanks.
In the first place, my dear children who have come here, who have participated in the event, and I'm sure you all are a little tired as well. Of course, the prizes made you a little bit energetic, And all those who did not get prizes, do not worry. Do not worry. There are still 2 more days. In case you have given the names, you should be getting some prize. Fine? And if you don't get, I will give you 1 certificate each. Fine? So you please come and meet me and tell me. We have participation certificate, we will give you. We will honor your coming here to our St. Joseph School. What do you say, my dear teachers? Shall we give? Yes, the teachers are clapping, so it's good. My dear parents, you have brought your children. Yesterday evening, as I was standing outside, going back to our house, I came down from the school. One lady came to me. There she was. And she said, Father, where is that Josephite festival? I said, it is there. She saying, this is the category. I said, come, you see the category. So yesterday evening at 5 o'clock onwards, people have been asking and people have been coming. Dear my dear parents, I am indeed very grateful to you for taking the initiative of not only registering your children, but sending them here. You see what energy is there. Only up to the 10th standard these children are. Only up to 10th standard. If we get chance, next year again we come back with St. Joseph Festival, we will try to introduce even the 11th standard and even the 12th standard. Thank you very much for coming here. I thank the chief guests of honor and the chief guest. I thank Father Daigo and I thank the headmistress and even the wife of Mrs. Divya. I thank Divya. I just told her, your husband has been the past student of our school. Now we have called you to give gifts. So, okay? And I told her now you have to, the rest you will complete. Okay, fine. I asked her that you also be my parent to donate so that we can still do better. First place, after thanking all of you, I thank God for this beautiful day. I thank all the teachers who have been working in St. Joseph School, peons who are working, all of us, it's a team event. So please, I take a few names because they work day in and day out. So we have with us Nagaprabha Rao, our supervisor, and then Smita, our second supervisor, and Sadira, third supervisor, together with our headmistress Seema. All of us have worked together very hard, and all the team we have brought together, and we have worked as one team. And therefore, we have seen the first day has gone very smooth. Everybody knows what the program is. Everyone knows what they are supposed to do, and that is a greater communication. The goal I set for the teachers is forming and developing into a beautiful team which works hard, and we work hard, and also we will all connect with one another, shake hands with one another, and we become more better and increase in all our capacities. Thank you once again for the emceeing, those teachers which do the emceeing, that is Clement Sunita teacher. Thank you so much. Not that I am forgetting, because I am also getting tired. You also tired? Okay, now I'll stop. After thanking God, thanking you, thanking the teachers, and thanking all the supervisors, and thank you from the watchmen to all the silent workers, non-teaching staff members. Please give them a big hand. One more hand. That canteen, they ate some things. All of you who benefited from canteen, he is also donating part of his business, part of this thing to the school. There were 2 parents who were giving out the coupon, and they were doing. So all of us in this campus have worked together, and the parents, past parents of ours, they have come and they also have helped us in the Josephite Festival. At the first day, I'd like to thank, on behalf of my management team, Father James, who is not keeping well, so he is hospitalized, and then Father Bonnie and Father Daigo and myself, all of us, we like to thank each and every one of you. My dear teachers, thank you. My dear workers, those who are non-teaching staff, thank you. And my dear children for coming in big numbers, and also with their parents, thank you so much. And the sound system also, thank you very much. With all this time, let's, for you, some entertainment you need. So half an hour, there is an entertainment program only for half an hour. All those who have been giving the programs in the hall and everywhere, we have selected a few and they will be presenting us some items. Thank you once again. God bless us. God bless all of you.
Thank you, Father Solomon.
Our guests will now be escorted to their seats. Thank you very much.
Please give them a round of applause. Thank you once again to all our dignitaries and our chief guests. We now begin with the performances. So kids, did you all have a good day or a boring day? Good day! Sure? You all enjoyed participating in the various events? Or were you all sleeping morning early? Yes? Both you all can't say yes. Tell me one thing. Did you all enjoy or no? Okay, great. Now we are going to have a glimpse of all the performances that have been going on throughout the day. Just a few. We will begin with the category patriotic song. To begin with this cultural journey, here is a fun fact. The Indian national anthem takes exactly 52 seconds to sing its complete proper musical rendition.
Let's give a big round of applause to the Social Service League English School. We will now present their patriotic song. Mic check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello.
Before our next item, here's something interesting. Indian classical music is one of the oldest musical traditions in the world, dating back over 3,000 years. Its notes sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni come from the sound of nature.
Please welcome Miss Sharvari Loud, who will enchant us with her Indian classical vocal performance.
Please give her a round of applause.
Is Miss Sharvari Loud here?
Yeah.
Sharvari Love, that was simply amazing. I don't think any teacher got so much pin drop silence in class.
That was really amazing. Please give them a round of applause once again.
That was a mesmerizing blend of melody and tradition.
Our next event is the Marathi elocution. Marathi is one of the oldest regional languages of India and is more than 1,300 years old. It is also the official language of Maharashtra. Presenting a powerful Marathi elocution, we now call upon Grishma Satan from St. Paul's Convent High School. Please give her a round of applause.
आयुष्याला द्यावे उत्तर विंदा करंदीकर. असे जगावे दुनियेमध्ये आव्हानाचे लावून अत्तर नजर रोखुनी नजरेमध्ये आयुष्याला द्यावे उत्तर. असे जगावे दुनियेमध्ये आव्हानाचे लावून अत्तर नजर रोखुनी नजरेमध्ये आयुष्याला द्यावे उत्तर. पाय असावे जमिनीवरती कवेत अंबर घेताना हसू असावे ओठांवरती काळीज काढून देताना. पाय असावे जमिनीवरती कवेत अंबर घेताना हसू असावे ओठांवरती काळीज काढून देताना. जगात साऱ्या एकच ऐका सर्वांना एकच सांगा तुम्ही कधी आयुष्यात हरू नका. जगात साऱ्या एकच सांगा तुम्ही कधी आयुष्यात हारू नका. जगात साऱ्या एकच सांगा तुम्ही कधी आयुष्यात हारू नका. स्वर कठोर त्या काळाचाही क्षणभर व्हावा कातर कातर. न स्वर कठोर त्या काळाचाही क्षणभर व्हावा कातर कातर. नजर रोखुनी नजरेमध्ये आयुष्याला द्यावे उत्तर. नजर रोखुनी नजरेमध्ये आयुष्याला द्यावे उत्तर. धन्यवाद.
Wow! What a confident and expressive performance. Well done, Grishma Satan.
Give her a round of applause. Our next and final event is choral recitation. When people recite or sing together, their breathing synchronizes and even their heartbeats start matching. And to show us this performance, we now have our choral recitation winners who will come and perform their piece. Please give them a round of applause.
Presenting the English choral recitation winners from category 2. Let's give them a round of applause. Loud as you can. Very good. Well done, boys.
bring us to the end of this delightful story. Who knew a burglar would enter more scared than a person he came to rob? Our old maid didn't just protect her home. She proved that sometimes the real danger is underestimating with an old lady with strong voice and with stronger courage. So the next time someone thinks they are brave, remind them of a burglar boy who entered confidently and ran probably without thinking. In all the houses in the world, why did I pick this one?
1, 2, 3. That was a wonderful display of clarity, coordination, and expression. And yes, what was special about this recitation? What was special? Mystery! Did you know what's going to happen in the end? Mystery. Yes. Okay.
Once again, I would like to thank all of you participants. Please give yourselves a round of applause for taking the time and gathering the courage to participate in such wonderful events. What an extraordinary day filled with patriotism, culture, creativity, discipline, and talent. Let us remember, winning is temporary, but participation builds character that lasts forever.
Let's applaud every student, school, teacher, and parent who contributed to making this day special. As our guests take their leave, let us give them a warm round of applause.